as you can see, it's my first video of 2021, and as you can see, I'm at the new Moynihan train hall that just opened. It's my first time here. They made it look like old Penn Station. I read a book about it once, and
please be advised that a check package is available for your train. It's recommended to take your bags to Amtrak signage.
That's an Amtrak announcement.
Each passenger is allowed to check up to 2 pieces of luggage not to exceed 50 pounds each. Amtrak's carry-on baggage policy allows 2 bags per passenger not to exceed 50 pounds each.
So the current
baggage exceeding this limit will not be accepted.
and this place is so big. It looks nothing like I expected. There's even a solo train there. This is a pretty big place. This is the future Penn Station. There's Niagara Falls. Oh, oops. Letchworth State Park.
Oh shit, mira eso.
This looks so beautiful. Yeah. So this was planned by Governor Andrew Cuomo, and he did a really good job of the planning. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at all that. There's a moose there. I don't know if New Jersey Transit serves Moynihan Train Hall, but I hope it does. They named it after Daniel Patrick Moynihan. There's a tiny little train there. Okay, so that is all for today. So until next time, bye.
Ay. Oye, mañana vas a subir a 50.